And tragedy in Solan in Himachal Pradesh, where again a landslide led to the collapse of a restaurant, a local dhaba, where there were many army personnel, young jawans actually there at the point, and 16 of them have now been killed.
14 people, including army personnel, have died after a multi-storey building collapsed in Solan, 45 kilometers from Shimla on Sunday afternoon. Of the 14 dead, 13 are army men. One is the wife of the restaurant owner. The Jawans were on their way to Uttarakhand and had stopped at the restaurant for lunch. 2 teams of the National Disaster Response Force are at the spot carrying out rescue work. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has admitted that the building violated building norms.
देखिए मुझे अभी तक तो यही जानकारी मिली है कि जो बिल्डिंग का स्ट्रक्चर जो है एज पर जो है स्पेसिफिकेशन जो है वो नहीं था.
A case of negligence has been registered against the restaurant owner.
The administration says that they are not expecting any more bodies as they have finished the count of 42. So as of now, the latest is this, that though the JCB machines and all are, the NDRF team is clearing the rubble near the collapse site, but they are not expecting any bodies as of now.
In Solan, this is Mohammad Ghazali for NDTV.